start getting it down. Start memorizing the first part, okay? And then read it. Because you won't have it memorized when we get done here, okay? But you'll be a lot closer to getting it memorized. And hopefully by Monday morning when you start, you can practice it on your spouse, significant other, or just staring at yourself in the bathroom and get good at it. By Monday, hopefully you'll just have it. It'll be like bam. It'll be like, this is bam. This is exactly what I was like. Bam. There's no other way to answer it, right? So let's just go ahead and you guys go ahead and start. Just pick whoever's going to greet whom. And one of you be the customer, one of you be the greeter.
What do you want to be?
And just go ahead. You guys can go ahead too. Just pair up. This is where we have the group of candidates. This is where we have the group of candidates practice their greeting. Scripted greeting is so important in this business because especially when you're new, you're nervous. You're so nervous when you get in front of a client. And if you just come up and say, "Hi, welcome to our store," you're gonna get, "I'm just looking." And from "I'm just looking," it's downhill from there. You need to be able to lead the client to your desk or to being checked into the CRM. The store will be happier because they get everybody checked in, and the salesperson will feel more comfortable, and the client will feel more comfortable in the whole process. It's just a better way to do things.
Nice to meet you, Heather. Are you in the car service or sales?
There you go. Coming in, man.
Stay with sales the whole time.
No.
Yeah, stay with sales the whole time. You can walk in the parts. You can walk in the service.
Okay.
That's it for you. So stay with sales the whole time.
Parts and service is kind of, you said you just walk in kind of.
Yeah, so great. Let me show you where they're at. And then you go.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you're doing sales.